Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play two-player on Super Mario Maker 2. First, it's important to know that the game's story mode is a single-player experience. You cannot team up with a friend to complete the 100-plus Nintendo-created levels or rebuild Princess Peach's castle together. This mode is specifically designed for solo play, focusing on your individual journey to earn coins and restore the kingdom. While story mode is solo, you can enjoy two-player local co-op in other areas. To play with a friend on the same Nintendo Switch, head to Course World. Choose any downloaded course, then select the Play Together option. Up to 4 players can join, each using a Joy-Con or Pro controller. This allows you and your friend to tackle community-made levels side by side, sharing the same screen. Beyond playing existing levels, Super Mario Maker 2 also lets you create courses with a friend. In build mode, you can collaborate on a single screen, designing intricate levels together. Simply pass one Joy-Con controller to your friend, and you can both work simultaneously. This is a fantastic way to combine your creative ideas and build unique challenges for others to enjoy or to test out your creations as a duo. For those looking for more multiplayer options, Super Mario Maker 2 offers online and nearby play. In Course World, select Network Play to join global co-op or versus matches. You can also use nearby play to connect with friends using separate Nintendo Switch consoles in the same location. Remember, online multiplayer typically requires a Nintendo Switch Online membership for each player, opening up a vast world of shared adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.